Hey, what's up? You know, I work at my computer more than 10 hours a day. I don't use trackpad, but prefer a computer mouse. Some years ago I had a problem of tunnel syndrome. If you don't know anything about it, you can Google for more details. In short, you have a pain in the wrist because of the pressure on median nerve. It happens when you use a computer mouse all the time. The solution to my problem was a vertical mouse. Thanks to ergonomic design of vertical mouse, the hand is in more natural position and there's no pressure on median nerve. By the way, we made video about my vertical mouse about 2 years ago. It was very cheap computer mouse for only $8. I have been using it for over 2 years and it still works. However, it has some disadvantages, such as battery power. I would like a mouse with built-in battery to charge it via USB cable. Recently, SEENDA company has contacted us and offered to do a review of their vertical mouse. It has a model name of IWG-SGM01. You know, I have been using this mouse for a week, and I can see that it has everything I need for a computer mouse. The main features of SEENDA mouse is vertical design, connection with 3 devices, 9 control buttons, a built-in rechargeable battery. The price of this mouse is only $29. The introduction is quite long, so let's start the review with unboxing. The new SEENDA vertical mouse comes in this box. There is only information about manufacturer on the back of the box, such as address in China. Inside the box we have computer mouse itself, user manual in English and German, as well as USB Type-C charging cable. 2.4G receiver is on the bottom of the mouse. Of course, the design is one of the main features of this computer mouse. I have already told you about my problem with pain in the wrist, and vertical mouse was the solution for me. On this picture we can see the difference in hand position when you're using a vertical mouse and a traditional mouse. The main body of the mouse is made of matte plastic, but the top and front are glossy. We can see 4 LED indicators on the top, such as charging and low battery, 2.4G mode, Bluetooth 1 mode, and Bluetooth 2 mode. On the bottom the mouse has receiver and power switch. I have already told you that SEENDA vertical mouse has built-in battery, so you don't need external batteries. USB Type-C charging port is located on the front. You know, the new SEENDA vertical mouse has about the same size as my previous vertical mouse, so I got used to it very quickly. It is really very comfortable. The new vertical mouse has 9 control buttons. This is the main control panels, and here we have scroll wheel, silent left button, silent right button, voice to left and voice to right buttons. There is also a DPI switch button. By the way, there are 3 DPI modes available: 1000, 1600 and 2400. The mouse has 2 buttons on the left side, such as page forward and page back. This is a mode switch button between 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2. As I already said, you can connect the mouse to 3 devices. I use 2.4G mode, but I can also connect the mouse to other 2 devices via Bluetooth. One of my favorite features of SEENDA vertical mouse is built-in battery. I have used another vertical mouse before, and I had to buy the new batteries all the time. It is very inconvenient. Here I can charge the mouse via USB Type-C cable. In addition, the mouse can be used when it is charging. That's very good. So finally I found a good successor to my old vertical mouse. The new ergonomic mouse from SEENDA has built-in battery, USB Type-C charging port, many control buttons, 2.4G and Bluetooth modes. The price of this mouse is affordable, only $29. I have been using this mouse for a week now, and I really like it. If you are interested in further usage, write in the comments below. I will tell you how this mouse in the months, 2 or even a year. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.